Hi guys, to join the iDrone online camp, you must turn in the liability form. You can simply download liability form from the website and fill out the form, and you have to sign in the signature box. Once you've done that, you can download Adobe Scan app, go to the Apple App Store and punch in Scan, Adobe Scan app. I already downloaded, so I can just click the update. So I can download Adobe Scan, and then you can open the Adobe Scan and take a picture using this one. It's very simple. You can just focus your document, liability document, and take a picture by pressing this button. Automatically, Adobe Scan created a PDF document. Once it is done, you can simply click continue and send this document by email. For example, let me take this document real quick. Just take picture like this, and then you can click the continue button in here, and go to your image folder, and you can save this document as PDF. Once it is saved, you can click the share, and you can click the share the link, or just simply send email to iDrone.stem@gmail.com and send. Just click the send button, and it's done. Thank you.